Hello friends, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Precious and today I will be showing you how to pot a Dendrobium Kiki. So if you want to learn how to do that, just keep on watching. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to remove this kiki from the mother plant. And I never remove my kikis unless they have long, healthy roots, just like this one here. And as always, I sterilize my cutting tool with household bleach. It is, guys, and the kiki has also given me a new growth. This is the original kiki, as you can see where it was attached to the mother plant. And a kiki is also a clone of the mother plant, which means it is going to give you the exact bloom as the mother plant, and it has given me a new growth. But before I pot the kiki, I'm going to be applying a solution of hydrogen peroxide and graphite to the roots, and it is in this spray bottle. Now, hydrogen peroxide is a cheap, simple and effective fungicide for your plants, and graphite, it supplies nutrients to the plants and protects the roots, the stems and the foliage. So I always use this solution whenever I'm potting an orchid. Not just a dendrobium, but any orchid. So I'm now applying the solution of hydrogen peroxide and graphite to the roots of the plant or of the kiki. And I'm drenching it properly. Alright guys, and I'm using gravel or river stones with some small pieces of charcoal. So that's the medium I'll be using to pot the kiki. I will put some in the bottom of the pot, and I'm using a small pot because you don't want to use a pot that is too big, because you don't want your kiki to be moving around in the pot. So now I'm putting the roots inside the pot, and I'm going to be filling it up with the gravel and charcoal. Quite simple. Here it is, and this is called Dendrobium Caesar. It blooms profusely. It is always in bloom. As you can see, the mother plant has a beautiful spike here, and I must show you this other Caesar that I have here in bloom. So this is the bloom for Caesar. Now guys, I'm going to be putting some slow release fertilizer, Orchid Growth Plus, in this mesh basket and putting it in the pot with the kiki. And I am using a mesh basket because I don't want to apply the fertilizer to the medium in the pot, because I don't want it to burn the roots, because remember, the roots are quite tender right now. It has just been removed from the mother plant. So I stick the basket with the fertilizer, the mesh basket, inside the pot. So each time I water the orchid, it will release the fertilizer onto the roots of the plant. So guys, we've made it to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not yet become a member of the Precious Blooms family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button below, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. You can also leave me a comment. Let me know how you pot your Dendrobium Keiki. That's all for now. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, see you soon.